Okay, makinig kayo sa akin. Lahat ng mga nakalagay dito ay mga taong namatay in a weird and messed up way. Silang lahat ng mga nandito ay mga nakaligtas sa Skyview. But not only that, they all died in the same order as Iris' premonition. Hundreds of people were supposed to die that night, but Iris stopped the disaster. So death came back for them one by one. Since marami yung survivors, it took years for death na patayin silang lahat. But eventually, it got to Iris. Since she was the last to die in her premonition, pati yung batang lalaki. Pero handa siya eh. She single-handedly held off death for decades.
Stephanie, anak, I think hindi ito yung tamang oras para mag-explain sa mga ganito.
Yeah! I mean, none of this has even anything to do with us, right? Bakit ba kami na dito? No. Makinig ka muna sa akin. Because that took so long na kunin lahat ng mga survivors na to, lahat sila nagkaroon ng pamilya. Families that they never should have had. So, pati yung mga pamilya nila, kinuha rin. I mean, don't you see? Death is coming for us because we were never supposed to exist.
So, lahat ng mga nandito sa room na to ay part ng death's list?
Yeah, yan yung sinasabi niya, Bobby. No. Dad and Aunt Brenda, hindi sila kasali because they're not part of Iris' bloodline. Gumawa ako ng pattern. Since panganay si Uncle Howard, magsisimula sa pamilya niya. Meaning Eric, you're next.
Go fuck yourself.
Then it will go to Julia. Then Bobby. Pagkatapos, sa pamilya ko. Starting with Darlene. Then ako. Tapos si Charlie.
Charlie, you buying this?
I don't know.
Alam mo, nababaliw ka na. Ginawa bang conspiracy theory yung pagkamatay ng papa ko? What is wrong with you? No. Hindi to conspiracy theory.
Stephanie,
Teka lang.
tama na.
Mamamatay tayong lahat. Stephanie, stop! Ayoko na makarinig ng mga ganito, okay? Please, tama na. Aunt Brenda, teka lang. Wait lang. Aunt Brenda, teka lang. Makinig ka muna sa akin. On Iris' book, she mentioned somebody who cheated death and survived. Please, stop. Pwede ba? Pabayaan mo na ako. Eric!
Stop.
Naniniwala ka naman sa akin, di ba?
I'm sorry.
Look, Steph, I really love you as a cousin, but sometimes I really hate you.
I know how convincing all of this can be, but it's not real.
How can you say that?
Don't let my mom's beliefs derail your life the same way they did mine.
Thank you so much for that advice, but I don't really need a mom anymore.
Alright, open wide. Good. My old man just died. I come in as a favor, and now they want me to lock up. Hey, 5-star review, yeah? Like and subscribe on all the things. Oh, you got me. Come on.